Juan Isabel Alaka, Vegan for Don Isabel. To all completers, congratulations. Now, we have selected an exceptional student to share her passion on her junior high school journey. Let us listen to Almira Grace A. Chilagan for her words of gratitude.
To our dignitaries at the presidential table, Sir Benji P. Lagmay, Sir, the Motherly School Principal 2 of this school, Ma'am Mona Lisa C. Balaho, Ma'am, ever active Head Teacher 1 of Wigan Integrated School High School Department, Dr. Mercy N. Bangli, Ma'am, the ever supportive WIS School PTA Vice President, Ma'am Lolita Marino, Ma'am, the entire faculty and staff of Wigan Integrated School, to the proud parents, distinguished guests, friends, and fellow completers, a pleasant morning to all of us. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives. We've spent countless hours studying, stressing, and growing together. As we stand on the brink of a new chapter, let us take a moment to remember our journey through junior high school. Let us appreciate the obstacles we overcame and the people who supported us along the way. First and foremost, I want to thank our Almighty Father, the beginning and end of all things. We stand here today because of Him. He is the greatest foundation of all our inspiration, courage, and hard work that made us who we are today. We thank Him for all the blessings and opportunities He showered upon us. All the glory is offered back to His name. To our amazing teachers, I want to take this moment to say thank you all from the deepest of my heart. Your dedication, patience, and hard work have made a huge impact on our lives. From the first day we stepped into this school, you have been there to guide and support us. You taught us not just the subjects in our books, but also the important life lessons. You showed us how to be curious, how to think critically, and how to believe in ourselves. There were times when we struggled and felt like giving up, but you never gave up on us. Your encouragement kept us going, and your belief in our abilities gave us the confidence to keep trying. Because of you, our dear teachers, we are now grade 10 completers. You have helped shape our future, and for that, we will always be grateful. Thank you for everything you have done for us. To my parents, I just want to take this time to thank you both from the bottom of my And I can thank you enough for that. Mom, you've been the light of our home, taking care of us single-handedly while Dad was away. Your love and patience have been the rock of our family, and we are truly blessed to have you. And to all the parents who are here today, you deserve to share every honor we gain today. Without your unwavering support and inspiration, we never would have made it to this point. We, the grade 10 completers, appreciate your tireless efforts and full support to make sure we have the best possible future. Thank you, dear parents, that despite the headaches sometimes, you still keep on pushing